welcome back to Hennessey Performance's YouTube channel. Happy Thursday. Today is vlog day. We post these vlogs every single Thursday at 10 a.m. This is our 6th week doing it, so comment below if there's anything specific you're wanting to see on our YouTube channel. So today we're gonna be highlighting some really awesome builds, so make sure to stay tuned for this entire video. And go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you're interested in seeing more videos like this. But let's go ahead and dive in. I am currently sweating because it's like 90 degrees outside and sitting in this HPE850 GT350R. This thing is crazy loud and a super hot build. Y'all saw this vehicle go throughout the entire build process within the last 2 vlogs. We spent the last few days doing quality test drives, and now this is going back to the customer very soon. So we're super excited for the customer to receive this upgraded vehicle. So let's go ahead and start this thing up and get this vlog going. Stay tuned for this entire video, and we'll see you guys in the shop.
Hey guys, Alex here again. We're back on the vlog. Check out this Exorcist. It's all wrapped up. You've kind of seen it throughout all the steps. I'm gonna get in it and start it so you can hear it. Alright guys, so you just heard how it sounds. It sounds amazing. The engine bay is all tight and right, everything's complete. So Jerry, what exactly did we do technically to this vehicle?
So we did a lot of stuff, starting at the short block is all torn down, and we got cam in there, ported heads, we did our valve train upgrade, obviously got rid of the stock blower at 1.7, now replaced it with a 2.9 liter. We got the big throttle body, our pulley combination, larger intake. We've upgraded the heat exchanger for cooling purposes. We've also done TCM calibration as well as our ECM calibration. A few other random little things, as long as a fuel system on the low side and upgraded on the high side. So we got pretty much all the fuel and all the parts we need to make this a 1,000 horsepower car.
So Jerry and I have both driven a lot of Exorcists. I know that we particularly love these cars, but Jerry, you were actually on a trip that I wasn't on with the Grand Tour. We took our shop Exorcist, which was a couple years ago, to the Grand Tour. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
The Grand Tour was crazy. I can't think of a more abusive situation for a car than when it goes to the guys from Grand Tour or Top Gear. Those guys are absolutely ruthless. It's like their job to break cars. Obviously they're trying to make a good show, but it is basically 5 days of different locations and different scenarios where the car is 100% wide open throttle, putting through its paces on and off-road, which is very interesting to see a car like this.
With no cool down.
With no cool down time. I mean, your stuff has to be right, your tune's got to be on point, and they couldn't kill that thing, and the car still lives till this day. So
still lives on.
It was a crazy experience, but yeah, it was basically all went down in Detroit, so really crappy roads there.
Well, if you haven't seen any of our Exorcist videos or even that Grand Tour episode, you definitely should check it out. If you're interested in a Camaro package, the Exorcist package is definitely one to take a look at. You should check out all of our Exorcist media and even that Grand Tour episode. I'm excited for this customer to get this thing back. Let's keep going throughout the shop. And on to the next one. We're back to this blue Velociraptor V8. It is actually now done. And I've got Jerry and Juan, the technician who you've met before. They're gonna talk a little bit about what exactly we did, and now that it's finally done, we're gonna start it up for you.
So guys, you saw last week Juan, our number 1, was working hard on this thing. Had it pretty much wrapped up, got it the rest of the way wrapped up with our bumper, lights, everything is wired up. It's now been calibrated and runs, drives, everything is kind of in sync. It's ready for the dyno and then ready for test drive. and then to go back to the customer. So looking under the hood here, you can see everything is tight and right. V8 in place, blower in place. Everything looks neat, nothing looks sloppy. That's the way that we like to build these trucks. They're very versatile, everybody loves them, and they hold up really well.
Juan, what is your favorite thing about building these trucks?
Driving them?
Yes.
There you go.
Driving them is definitely sweet.
Perfect answer.
Yeah.
Juan, go start this thing.
Let's
give it some rev. Let's hear some noise.
Let's hear it.
And last but not least on our list for today, we have a very special customer that I want to give a very special shout out to, Jordan Phillips from the Arizona Cardinals. This is his very brand new Raptor that we are converting into a Velociraptor V8. It's going to have 750 horsepower, so stay tuned for this build and go look him up on Instagram and give him a follow.
Hey guys, we got Lee here today. This man is moving up. He's learning how to build V8 Raptors because we just can't produce them fast enough. So we got all hands on deck. We've already got the new transmission in, the new engine in. We pretty much got it to the point, all custom hoses made. We're about to start unboxing our Whipple kit over here. Start making up the supercharger on top. I'd say at this point we're about 2 to 3 days away from getting to the starting position, and we'll have to finish up the accessories and everything out of that. But we're getting pretty close.
That's exciting. And so Lee, basically you're getting to spend time with James to learn how to do the Velociraptor V8 swap?
Yes, so I started pulling the motors at first, and that's kind of an easy thing, and now James is teaching me how to, pretty much we know how it goes in, but teaching me how to customize all the hoses and where everything and the certain little things and details that go into the build as well. That we've learned over past experiences. So he's going over with that, so hopefully in the future I'll be another guy building custom V8 Raptor.
Alright you guys, so y'all know that we always end these vlogs doing some final testing. We are currently in the vehicle that I started this video. It's the HPE850 GT350R, and Jerry is here taking it out to the track. So let's hear this thing make some power. Y'all saw this car go throughout the entire production process. It got here last week and it is scheduled to leave sometime tomorrow or Monday. So yeah, let's hear this thing make some noise, and then the customer will soon be able to experience this upgrade.